I have KRUGER MATZ Live 7 and let me show you how to perform the hard reset operation on that device by using the factory mode, and also let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern, password or other screen lock method. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose here restart, tap OK to confirm it, and let's start holding the volume down key. Keep holding volume down button until the factory mode pops up. Keep holding volume down. And that's it, the factory mode will appear in front of you in just a few seconds. Alright, here you can navigate by using volume down and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down here to highlight clear eMMC. As you can see, the whole menu is in Chinese, but it's easy to find clear eMMC option. Let's press power key to confirm it, and right now the device is whipping all personal data, customized settings and installed apps. Let's just be careful and wait until the whole process will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it simply means that the hard reset is done. As you may also observe, there is no pattern or a password, so you can start easily activate and use your phone. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.